Hello, in today's episode we will listen to a conversation in English. If you like this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, and comment on this video. And now, let's move on to the dialogue. Today's topic is at the doctor's office.
Welcome to the doctor's office.
Thank you. I'm not feeling well.
I see. What symptoms are you experiencing?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
I'm sorry to hear that. Any fever?
Yes, a mild fever too.
All right. Let's check your temperature.
Sure, here's the thermometer.
Thank you. It's a slight fever. Any cough?
Yes, a bit of a cough as well.
Understood. Have you been traveling recently?
No, I haven't traveled anywhere.
Okay. Let me listen to your breathing. Breathe deeply, please.
How does it sound?
There's a bit of congestion. Any allergies?
I'm allergic to pollen.
Noted. I'll prescribe medication for you.
Thank you. Can I get it at the pharmacy?
Yes, they'll have it ready for you.
Great. Is there anything else I should do?
Rest and drink plenty of fluids. If it doesn't improve, come back.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Goodbye, and thanks again.
Vocabulary.
Doctor office. Feel. Symptom. Headache. Sore throat. Fever. Temperature. Thermometer. Cough. Breath. Congestion. Allergy. Pollen. Prescribe. Medication. Pharmacy. Fluid. Improve. Rest. Well.
Thank you for watching. Check our channel for more videos like this one.